What are some of your top clients doing with the monies currently? Is the investing pattern of 2022 materially different from what it would have been in 2020 or let's say pre-COVID? And of course, what is coupled with that? What is your advice to them about how these guys should be going about investing the money?
So, so it's a very interesting question, Niraj, again. I would say, the standout asset class very clearly over the last 5 years is alternate investment funds. Very, very clearly, I think AIF first came into life in 2012. We are in 2022. And in a very short span of time, and really the acceleration started over the last 5 years. The industry is well over 5 lakh crores, right? And the CAGR of this industry is, I think, 25% plus industry growth. So you can imagine if the top players in this industry, the manufacturers, must be growing much, much faster. Some of them maybe almost triple-digit percentage growths.
Okay.
So that's the kind of attraction that AIFs are having, and I'll tell you why. Because of course, the science says that you need to diversify, right? Very clearly, you need to do that. AIFs also help you take concentrated bets, right? When you have deep conviction. So whether these are in the areas of venture debt, it could be on some real estate InvITs, right? So the entire plethora of structured products. So we are able to provide a gamut of these products, which naturally give higher yields in a way, right? Also, we are able to manage the risk-return trade-off that much more nuanced, right? The risk-return at a very simple level is, you have equity, you have debt, and you have, let's say, balance, right? At a very simplistic level. But for you to play the curve much more nuanced, saying, I want to take, let's say, a very high risk, and I'm prepared, and my return expectation, let's say, is annualized 25% CAGR, right? And the risk is well understood. There are products in the AIF space which let you do that. There could be an investor who says that I'm very bullish about the B2B turnaround in India, right? So can I get into ventures as an equity participant, right? And these are in the private market. So these are not publicly listed companies. How would I do that? So there are AIF structures which are created by some of the top names in India, and we work with them and bring those products to our customers. And they're very appreciative of these. And we are seeing in some of these very consistent IRRs of 18-19%, right? So very important, therefore, that one is guided with the right understanding before one takes these decisions, which is why obviously the minimum ticket size in regulatorily is prescribed at 1 crore. And it's meant for sophisticated investors who have both the knowledge and the risk acumen, so to speak.